Hi there, today I wanted to tell you about project Quarkchain. Quarkchain overview. Quarkchain will be utilizing sharding technology in an enhanced way to achieve a scalable and fast peer-to-peer transactional system using their own blockchain. First two layers architecture, sharding layer and root layer. Sharding layer, also known as shards, it will be responsible for distributing data efficiently, achieving nice high throughput. Root layer will take the role of confirming the block from shards sharding layer. This architecture will allow Quarkchain to achieve scalability with enhanced security while keeping the ecosystem decentralized, thus boosting all these components of a blockchain. 50% plus of the generated hash power will be designated to root layer. This is to avoid any double spending attacks on Quarkchain network. Concept of nodes and clusters. Node, it will be working as a normal node. That is to support the Quarkchain network by maintaining a copy of blockchain and to process transaction. Cluster. When TPS go quite high, any supernode becomes quite expensive to deal with. Here Quarkchain comes with the concept of clusters where various normal nodes can combine to form a cluster and performing as a super full node. This will and avoid the necessity of using supercomputers, thus allowing small players to remain a competitive part of the network, allowing even GPU mining. This will be eventually allow more nodes to be part of the network, resulting in higher scalability. Support and integration with EVM for smart contracts. Quarkchains will provide support and integration with EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine for smart contracts. Allow the existing dApps using EVM to be employed directly on Quarkchain network. Increases and easy adoption for existing dApps. Provides capability to developers to forget about the redevelopments or the compatibility issues of their existing dApps built using EVM when migrating to Quarkchain ecosystem. In shard and the cross-shard transaction. In shard transactions, there are the transactions where the sender and recipient addresses are located in the same shard. They are easy, fast, and less challenging as the same ledger copy on the shard already contains the complete information of the shard. Cross-shard transactions. These transactions are more challenging to manage because they require the synchronization of the ledger copies of minimum two shards. That is the sender's shard and recipient's shard. Quarkchain's UniQ architecture design allows it to support in shard as well as cross-shard transactions. This actually then open a world of possibilities as follows. Any cross-shard transaction can be performed by any sender. The transaction for the challenging cross-shard ones will be confirmed in just few minutes. The scalability is immense as the throughput will be directly proportional to the increment in number of shards. Smart wallet and cross-chain support. In shard cross-shard transaction, Smart wallet will detect both types of transaction, either the recipient is in the same shard or different one, and will complete the transaction seamlessly. Smart contract transactions. Involve cross-chain transactions. For example, if you are trying to perform a transaction that is different than your primary wallet, a smart wallet will detect the related shard, transfer the token to the user's secondary shard that is related, perform that transaction. If you want to transfer any remaining balance to the main wallet shard, it is supported as well. This allows the cross-chain blockchain transaction and opens the world of possibility for other blockchain to use Quarkchain architecture to communicate with each other. Value appreciation. Value appreciation of any coin depends on its usage and demand. Similarly, Quarkchain coins are directly proportional to the usage increase of Quarkchain. If it is successful, the demand of the coins will increase accordingly. However, this is necessary to understand that Quarkchain will issue a ERC-20 based tokens temporarily, which would later be swapped with Quarkchain coins at the launch of Quarkchain mainnet in quarter of 2018. I think that as there will be more milestone achieved and the release time of the mainnet narrows down, people will get more awareness, resulting in the token value demand and value appreciation. Team and advisors. They include experience working in the tier 1 organizations like Facebook, Instagram, Google, Sun Microsystem. The team is rock star to us. Roadmap. Main dates in quarter 2018 is testnet 0.2 release supporting Quarkchain features such as a smart contract, reshard, etc. And quarter 4 2018 Quarkchain Core 1.0 release, mainnet 1.0 and smart wallet target 100,000 of TPS. Standouts. Testnet is live and has achieved 2,000 transactions, which provide them a cutting edge over most similar projects. The more nodes, the higher the scalability result of using enhanced sharding architecture, seamless support of cross-chain transaction, integration with EVM. It provides a Ethereum-based dApp that demands higher shortput, a golden opportunity to migrate to Quarkchain with very few challenges. And my own conclusion. Zilliqa is the closest competitor who has applied sharding successfully in their testnets with similar TPS, although it can complete other aspects of Quarkchain ecosystem. At the time of writing, Zilliqa had the market cap around $1922 million. Quarkchain's complete tokenomics are yet to be released, however, with the hard cap of $20 million only, it has huge potential to multiply its market cap. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all. Goodbye.